Hello everyone, today we are going to see how four Behringer and polychain work together. What I've done is putting four Model Ds together and then I've used the Behringer application to polychain them. So basically I've got four voices polyphonic synthesizers. It's a great machine, but I must be honest and I have to say that it's a rather difficult beast to manage. We will see exactly why in a second. Okay, enjoy. Alright, so let's start this demo. I've just composed something simple to let you hear what this beast is about. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. So thank you very much for watching the video, guys. The next video will be kind of the same but different. I could potentially get another type of sound from the Model D and experiment with it like I did now. And another idea, another try I had is getting the Model D to go through the virus, which is not a bad idea. The virus has an incredible DSP, so that would be definitely something new and an unexplored territory, which is what we like, is it? If you have any other idea, just let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe, because this channel has just started and it needs to grow. Share the video if you like, and yeah, see you next. Thank you. Bye.